Hello. We are Up To You movement. We would explain our business model canvas. Without further ado, let's get started. Our business is based on the problems, first thing first. Industrial revolution which will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and relate to one another. With the growth of automation, robots and computers will replace workers across a vast spectrum of industries. Low-skill or low-pay jobs will disappear and the poor will face tougher challenges, which in turn will lead to an increase in social tensions such as the increase of unemployment. Unemployment rate in Indonesia increased to 5.34% in the third quarter of 2018 from 5.13% in the first quarter of 2018. Our website Up To You. Undergraduate student, professionals and other relatives to learn digital marketing strategy in order surviving the new revolutionary industry. Before choosing the class, user have to register yourself through register section. User have to fulfill name, email, phone number, also create their own username. Then, they can start to select which skill they want to upgrade. User can apply one of our 3 classes. After that, we will confirm user's registration to set up their account by email. Then, you can join the class that you choose and your fun digital marketing class would be ready. In Up To You movement we provide several classes. The first class is digital marketing class, which you can learn strategic planning, marketing, analyzing audience, and idea visualization. The second class is content writing class, which you can learn about SEO or SEM, content planning, creative writing essentials and strategic marketing. And the third class is social media specialist, which you can learn how to branding your social media, visualizing your content, analyzing data for business insight, and also how to get advertise and paid promote for your social media. Next thing we are going to explain is our business model canvas here. See from the Up To You movement. Customer segment. Undergraduate students. Consumer segmentation in one go is a student or students who have not graduated unemployed. People who have a higher level of creativity makes the competition to enter the world of work is increasingly tight. Here we make the unemployed ready to enter it with the skill we provide. Value proposition. Digital marketing skills. Our goal is to reach out to the consumer or prospective consumer in a quick and timely manner. Reward for participation. When a trainee has already followed training, then later they will get certificates. Search engine optimization skills. The goal of SEO is to place a website on top position, or at least the first page of search results based on specific keywords that are targeted. Data analytics skills. With this expertise, trainee can define clearly his time and the right content. Channels. Influencer. One of many ways to promote Up To movement is to work with the influencers who later Up To movement may be known by the public. Because we know the influencer has influence that can eventually affect the community at large. Social media. We know that is legitimate everyone using social media, therefore social media is one of the media to promote Up To movement in the digital age. Public relation. Later the public relation connects with the relevant parties, such as the community, the government and the radio to disseminate Up To movement. Customer relationships. Highly recommended from experts. Other things to keep good relations with consumers. Later the consumer will get recommendations and advice from experts relating to digital marketing. Educated content. To maintain a good relationship with the consumer, from Up To You movement provide educational content to add to the consumer of a science. Revenue streams. Registration fee. One of the income streams from Up To movement is revenue from registration fees for the training services of the Up To movement. Sponsorship. In addition to the existence of the fun business, the Up To movement tried to submit a sponsorship proposal to the corporation that exists to help fund us. Fundraising. We're going to sell merchandise from Up To movement that are later to help the sustainability of Up To You movement. Key resources. Workspace. When Up To movement want to do a thing that requires training is the right workspace for the training. Technology. One of the most influential resources for Up To movement, because Up To You movement use one platform-based technology, namely website. Coaches. Certainly to do up to movement training requires coaches to fill in the training. Key activities. Workshop. Gathering place for the perpetrators of digital marketing training activity, which in this place, the actors perform the interaction. This is one of the key activities of the Up To You movement. Talk show. Discussion or a group of people's guests a topic about digital marketing. Key partners. Expert. Up To You movement certainly need experts to fill and deliver science when training. This is one of the essential components for running training Up To movement. Companies. Thus Up To You movement partners with companies aiming for in order to make it easier for companies in search of training services. Trainee. A trainee is one of the important keys for Up To You movement, because without his trainee training from Up To movement will not last. Cost structure. Operational cost. Certainly for inside the activity from Up To movement requires existing operations, thus there is a cost to his operational needs. Sales marketing. The existence of costs for promotion of Up To movement to increase consumer interest against Up To movement. From our last 9 building block we've made several improvements and corrections, especially on key resources and customer relationships. Before key resources building block content or technology, workspace, and coaches, we've changed coaches to web developer because our business is based on technology and internet. We need resources that have capability on it which could make an enhancement to our website and become more attractive and user-friendly to our customers when they open our website. Next on customer relationships, we decided to change highly recommended from expert to be a good services because we thought that a good services would give our customers best values when they're using our services. It will make our customers build up their loyalty because they feel satisfied with our services. New look of our BMC that has been validated.